just love the friendliness and everything. Just decided to have them to do the work that I needed done. Although I had a partial to wear, I hadn't wore for since I was 23 years old. I had went through 3.
Oh, wow.
And then he made the one that I have now. I'm just so thankful. For 30 years I haven't had bottom teeth in that I have now. They say they'll give you something to smile for. They did. Discussed everything, showed it to me, explained it to me before it was ever done. Not that it took away no wrinkles or nothing, but I feel like I had a facelift. Because really before I had this done, for my bottom teeth, if I don't wear that partial, I do have like more sagging. I'm so thankful, and they were so friendly and kind, and the work they done, and I know every place respects patients, but I felt like that they didn't treat nobody differently. Everybody was equal, and I'm just appreciate everything they ever done for me.